Hi guys, good day. So today we're gonna solve this type of problem. So it is actually under plane and solid geometry, okay? Now, why plane and solid? Okay, so I'll explain to you. Suppose you have a cube wherein yung dimensions niya is 1 unit, okay? So equal po yung sides niyan kasi nga cube, okay? Now, you are then required to cut this cube at any possible way wherein yung ma-generate mo na cross-section, okay, is irregular polygon, okay? Not just a regular polygon, but you are required to cut it for you to generate the maximum area, okay? So, paano kaya yan, okay? So, for example, kinat mo siyang pag ganito, okay? Kinat mo siyang pag ganito. Kumbaga, for example, ito yung cube mo, kinat mo siyang pag ganun, okay? So, what can you generate? Of course, yung cross-section yan is also a square. So, yung area nun, ng section na yun, is simply 1 square unit. Kasi nga, yung dimension natin each side is 1 unit. Now, what if kinataman siya natin vertically? Okay? So, same goes with the other one. Yung cross-section niya is also a square. Okay? So, yun pa rin yung ma-generate natin. Now, maghanap ka ngayon ng paraan wherein i-cut mo siya para yung section na mabubuo mo is of maximum area. Now, paano yan gagawin? Okay? Look at this. What if, okay, i-cut ko siya hindi parallel sa mga faces niya? What if we're gonna cut this one diagonally? Okay? So, look at this. Okay? Guys, if this is the side of the cube, okay, kunin ko po yung mga midpoints niya. Okay? Midpoint. Okay? Midpoint. 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 Tsaka midpoint. Okay? Now, observe what I'm going to do. Okay? So, guys, i-connect ko yung mga midpoints niya. And what can you notice? Okay? So, ganito po yung cube ko, tinapyas ko po siyang paganon. Okay? Kinat ko siyang paganon. Wherein, yung mabubuo ko is a hexagon. Okay? So, now, maganig. Paano yan, sir? Paano kunin yung sides niyan? Okay? So, hexagon nga, wala man akong dimension. But of course, okay, magawa natin ng paraan yan. Okay? So, ito po yung magiging side ng hexagon mo, okay? So, pag nakuha natin yung value or yung dimension ng isang side, so, tapos na yung problem, okay? So, makinig. Ito yung isang side natin, okay? So, tingnan natin siya top view, okay? Pag tinignan yung top view, ito yung makikita mo. This is just a square, okay? Now, because we connected the midpoints, okay? Ito ba yon? Yung side na yon? Yes, okay? So, makinig. This is actually your S. Lagyan ko siya ng S, ha? Yan po yung side ng hexagon mo, okay? Now, eto ngayon yung S natin. Because the side of a cube is 1 unit, okay? So, tama lang ba na half of that is simply 0.5? Oo naman, yes, okay? Kalahati ng 1 is 1/2, okay? So, kung 0.5 yan, dahil square ito, 0.5 din ito, okay? 0.5 din po yan, okay? Now, how can we get the value of S, okay? So, again, applying Pythagorean theorem, tingnan mo yung triangle na to. Okay? So, yung mangyari, makakabuo ka na ng right triangle wherein yung dimensions niya is 0.5 by 0.5. Ito ngayon yung S mo. Okay? So, S therefore is what? Your S therefore is simply the square root of 0.5 squared plus 0.5 squared. Okay? Now, what's the value of that? Okay? Yung value niyan is simply what? Okay? Yung 0.5 mo, square mo yan, that is simply 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay? Now, this is actually 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1/2. Okay? 1/2. Now, ano yung square root ng 1/2? Okay? This is simply square root of 2 over 2. Okay? Yan po yung measurement ng isang side mo ng hexagon. Okay? So guys, please take note of this, okay? Note that the area of a regular polygon is simply what? If you can still recall, that is simply ns squared over 4 tangent 180 degrees over n, okay? N corresponds to the number of sides, okay? Here in this case, dahil hexagon yan, 6 po yan. Now, how about S? Okay? S corresponds to the measurement of each side. Okay, ito po yung square root of 2 over 2 na yan. Now, connect. The area of a polygon or the hexagon, therefore, is simply what? Your n is 6. Your s is square root of 2 over 2 squared. Okay? Divided by what? 4 tangent of 180 divided by n. N again is 6. Okay? So now, 6 times what? Square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 over 2 squared. Okay? That is simply 1/4. Okay? Over 4 tangent of 30. Okay? Tangent of 180 over 6 is tangent of 30. And so therefore, your area is what? Your area, therefore, is simply what? That is just 6 times 1/4 over 4 tangent of 30. Or simply, n squared. Parang may mali. Wait lang ha. 4 tangent of wait lang. N is 6 squared over 4 3. Okay? 1.3 square units. Okay? So, ito po yung area or this is the area na bubuo natin pag kinat natin siya in that way. Ito po actually yung maximum area na bubuo natin. Okay? This is the section of maximum area. Okay? So, ito po yung sagot. Thank you.